बॉम्बे आने से पहले भी हम इतना सोच चुके होते हैं ना कि बॉम्बे में ये होगा, वो होगा, सपने, all those things that we see in films and we've heard in in places and we've read in books about Bombay, right? इतना बैकलॉग लेके आते हैं हम, फिर बॉम्बे बोलती है अब आओ मैं आपको बताता हूँ हु एम आई, ठीक है? आर यू इवन वर्थ मी?
Hmm.
Bombay asks that of you. You know, are you even worth me? Because I am a city. I'll give you everything, but first you have to prove yourself. So then वो आपको अच्छा खासा झटका देती है पहले. 3-4 times it will put you out. It will ask you, test you very very, and I think also those tests keep on happening every few years because Bombay always says that you have to be worthy of me. uh, Not everybody can live here. Not everybody is made for Bombay. A lot of people come here and then चाहे वो जगह की कह लो, reasons कह लो या other reasons कह लो, but a lot of people go back. So
True.
Bombay has, as a city, it asks a lot, it tests you, and then it says now you have proven yourself. I will give you what you want, and I'll give you much more than what you thought of also.
True.
Yeah. So I think Bombay does that to everyone. More so in our business because हम तो बहुत ही सपने लेके आते हैं. You know, our journeys only are such that we can be nobodies today, and one Friday can change everything for us.
Everything.
Yeah, but that Friday takes like some 15 years.
Uh,
वो Friday ऐसा overnight नहीं होता है. That Friday takes 10-15 years to come in your life. But yeah, Bombay is. That's why I think. जिनको मोहब्बत है बॉम्बे से उनको बहुत ज़्यादा है. दे कांट लिव एनी. कैन यू लिव एनीवेयर एल्स नाउ?
I can't even think of.
Yeah, I can't. My whole family is in Faridabad. My sisters are in Gurgaon. My parents live in Faridabad. But I wish they were here, and then I could say now I am whole soul Bombay wala. But I can't see myself living anywhere.